Hi, welcome to Data Precision with Chino, and today we'll be creating a lookup model query and working with quick start. So I had gone through the overview and the instructions earlier. So what I'm going to do is go straight to start the lab so that we can get to see what we have to do. So remember, our requirements for this is to have a Google Skill account, and you also need to have credits to use the Google Skills platform. So Google Skills gives 35 credits monthly for those who want to use the platform. We have changed it recently to the Gemini platform. So, but still, all of it gets to be credits given to users per month. So let's go ahead and start the lab. So we'll be working with Looker. So here you can see where we said start lab. Then we're going to open Looker in incognito. So here it is. We're opening Looker in incognito window. Remember we had our access here. So we copy our username, copy our password. So this part of Google's access management control. So we have our temporary username and password. Once we've logged in, the instructions start with how to create a query parameter. You can see here that the query parameter includes a list of subparameters that you can define in the LookML model. The easiest way to define a query in your model is by building the analysis in Explore. So what we do first is create a modeled query in Explore. In the Looker navigation menu, we click Explore. Under a command string, we click Other Items. Explore. Under e-commerce training, we click Other Items. So e-commerce training or e-commerce training other items. Okay, we did that. So the next thing we'll do is to select users, our fields, dimensions, and states. So we'll select users, dimension, and states. Users, under the dimensions, states. So after that, under the products dimensions, we click on department, products, dimensions, we click on department. Anything we click on, we see it comes here or explore. So under measures, we click on count. Under users measures, we click on count. It right down here. Count. Here. Then under other items, measures, we click on order. Other item, measures, and order count. That's our order count. Yeah. So under the user's dimensions, we find the country and click the filter icon next to it to filter on the dimension. In the filter pane, set user's country filter is equals to USA. Filter user's country is equals to US3. Type it in US. So I got it up. In the data pane, we click on the column name users count to sort in descending order. We're now on the data pane. Click on this descending order. And we click on run to view our results. Now it is in descending order. So we click on user count and descending order. Descending order from user count. We're not descending order by the state, but by the user count. Let's check our progress. So next, we're going to save the modeled query in LookML. Remember, what we're doing here is the practical. So LookML is where we have to work with our queries. So on the explore page with the modeled query, click on settings next to run and select get LookML. Settings, get LookML. We have the dashboard, aggregate table, derived table. So click on the aggregate table, which is in the center. Waiting for it to load. Then we'll copy the LookML code when it loads. So what we have here is an aggregate. Let's look at the other instructions. So we'll open a new local window in the new tab. On the bottom left of the local user interface, we click the toggle button to enter the development mode. So let's wait for this. So we copy the code. Now we'll open a new local window. So when we open our new local window, toggle the development mode on, which is underneath here. The development mode is now on. On the left side navigation menu, we would click on develop. Right here. Next, we'll do is under projects, we'll click on the Quick Labs e-commerce right underneath our search bar. In the training commercial e-commerce model file, we'll paste the copied code after the explore other items, but before the explore events around row 43. So let's show e-commerce. E-commerce training e-commerce model file. This is it right here, the training e-commerce model file. So we'll go to line 49. You see here this, you can see events around number 943. Instead, paste the copied code after explore other items. Let's bring this up a bit. Here's the number 17. Explore items is here. Before events. Events. Here's events. Rent is on line 43, just like you said. So I'm going to remove the line for aggregate table and the ending closing parenthesis. Let's paste this here. So let's remove the lines for aggregate table. So line for aggregate table. Then remove lines for materialization. So add the name, start from here. All the parentheses. for other items, open parentheses, query, query start from here, open parentheses, dimensions, block brackets, measures, block brackets, filters, and we have two last parentheses. So we will send LookML changes from development branch to production. So we'll click on validate LookML. First of all, click on save changes. Then we click on validate LookML. Now validate now LookML. Next, we will click again on commit changes and push. Then add a message to specify the changes you made and click on commit. So briefly describe what you changed. So we just come right here and we would say we removed briefly. So then we removed line for table and any parentheses. Delete this. Then we take these two out. Say next we say we commit. Or click on deploy to production. Next we now say deploy to production. Now next we're going to create a look report using the model query. In this task, you will build a look report using the model query. Open a new local window in a new tab. On the left side of the navigation menu of the local user interface, click explore other items. Click start from here and click start. So we come back here, open in incognito. So on the left side navigation menu, I'm going to click on explore other items, click start from here, then click start. Explore or other items. I'm going to click on start from here. Let's see here. So in the data pane, I'm going to click on the gear icon, name, product department, and select pivot. Gear icon. So there are three gear icons, so let's put the data pane. So here's our data pane. Then on the gear icon on the column name, products department. This is the gear icon on product department. Click on it. And click on pivot. In the data pane, click on the gear icon on the column name users count and select hide from visualization. Click on the gear icon, hide from visualization. Expand the visualization pane and choose column chart. It's expanded already. So we're going to choose column chart. Let's see some results here. So click on the gear icon. Under plot, we choose start as series positioning. Gear icon, under plot, under start as series positioning. Start. The series positioning. This is start series positioning. Next, we click on the gear icon next to run at the top right of the page. And we'll select save and as a look. Save as a look. So we have the title, other items per state, I need to see it. Let me start what you can see start here. Let's be sure. I got it. It's series position. Okay. So I think we're supposed to run it. I think that wasn't added as an instruction, but I can't seem to see that. So it doesn't add it, so we have to run it before we get to saving it. So I think we'll put that under the comments for the review. So on here, save as a look, title, other items count per state. So we'll choose the shared folder to save the report and click save. Shared folder. Save. So next, you click on the other items count per state. Look report and review the data, and let's look at other items. Let's click on other items count per state. Here. Next. We'd like to load. So logged out 1 minute. Let's stay logged in. So you can see our order items count per state. something like this we have visualization. See it here, we have something similar. Check our progress. So in this lab, let's have a closer look at it. We learned how to create a model query in Explore and save it in LookML, where a beginner looker user can access it in the future. So thank you very much and see you in the next video. But remember always to end your lab or exiting the screen. Then you could give them a 5 star and we let them know that there was supposed to be a run instruction for the save as look ML. We can specify that this was immediately after the stack instruction.